Hello viewers, welcome to Clever Cube. In this video, we are going to know what is aspergillosis. Aspergillosis is a disease caused by Aspergillus, a common mold, a type of fungus that lives indoors and outdoors. Most people breathe in Aspergillus spores every day without getting sick. However, people with weakened immune systems or lung diseases are at higher risk of developing health problems due to aspergillus. There are different types of aspergillosis. Some types are mild, but some of them are very serious. Types of aspergillosis. Allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillosis occurs when aspergillus causes inflammation in the lungs but doesn't cause an infection. Allergic Aspergillus sinusitis occurs when Aspergillus causes inflammation in the sinus but doesn't cause an infection. Azole resistant Aspergillus fumigatus occurs when one species of Aspergillus, a fumigatus, becomes resistant to certain medicines used to treat it. Patients with resistant infections might not get better with treatment. Aspergilloma occurs when a ball of aspergillus grows in the lungs or sinuses, but usually does not spread to other parts of the body. Aspergilloma is also called a fungus ball. Chronic pulmonary aspergillosis occurs when aspergillus infection causes cavities in the lungs and can be a long term 3 months or more condition. One or more fungal balls may also be present in the lungs. Invasive aspergillosis occurs when aspergillus causes a serious infection and usually affects people who have weakened immune systems, such as people who had an organ transplant or a stem cell transplant. Invasive aspergillosis most commonly affects the lungs, but it can also spread to other parts of the body. Cutaneous or skin aspergillosis occurs when aspergillus enters the body through a break in the skin, for example, after surgery or a burn wound, and causes infection, usually in people who have weakened immune systems. Cutaneous aspergillosis can also occur if invasive aspergillosis spreads to the skin from somewhere else in the body, such as the lungs. Symptoms of aspergillosis. The different types of aspergillosis can cause different symptoms. The symptoms of bronchopulmonary aspergillosis are similar to asthma symptoms, including wheezing, shortness of breath, cough, and fever. Symptoms of allergic aspergillus sinusitis include stuffiness, runny nose, headache, reduced ability to smell. Symptoms of aspergilloma include cough, coughing up blood, shortness of breath. Symptoms of chronic pulmonary aspergillosis include weight loss, cough, coughing up blood, fatigue, shortness of breath. Invasive aspergillosis usually occurs in people who are already sick from other medical conditions. So, it can be difficult to know which symptoms are related to aspergillus infection. However, the symptoms of invasive aspergillosis in the lungs include fever, chest pain, cough, coughing up blood, shortness of breath. Other symptoms can develop if the infection spreads from the lungs to other parts of the body. Let us know who gets aspergillosis. The different types of aspergillosis affect different groups of people. Allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillosis most often occurs in people who have cystic fibrosis or asthma. Aspergilloma usually affect people who have other lung diseases like tuberculosis. Chronic pulmonary aspergillosis typically occurs in people who have other lung diseases including tuberculosis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Invasive aspergillosis affects people who have weakened immune systems, such as people who have had a stem cell transplant or organ transplant, are getting chemotherapy for cancer, or are taking high doses of corticosteroids.